All right, so it's if you want to start freelancing using AI, yeah, Pika AI can actually help you create video content and get clients. In this video, I'll show you how to use it step by step. First, quick idea. Businesses need videos for marketing, ads, and social media. And you can create those using Pika AI. Start by learning how to create simple videos using the platform. Once you understand the basics, decide what service you want to offer, like short videos, ads, or product promos. Then create a few sample videos to show your skills. This will help you attract clients. Make sure to use clear and professional prompts so your videos look high quality. For example, create a clean product video with smooth motion and professional style. After generating your videos, you can improve them by adding text, music, or captions using editing tools. Next, build a simple portfolio where you can showcase your work. Then start finding clients on freelancing platforms or social media. One big advantage is speed. You can deliver videos quickly using Pika AI, and as you gain more clients, you can scale your work and increase your rates. So yeah, Pika AI can help you start freelancing and earn by creating video content. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More AI freelancing guides coming soon.